Listen, now I want you to understand the genesis of identity. Means, who are you? See, not having clarity about who are you, the identity crisis is source of all problems, whether it is a simple migraine or brain cancer or relationship problem or restlessness, whatever you name it, poverty, whatever you name it, it starts with identity crisis. Please understand. The word identity crisis, the definition of that word is not aligning what you are into what you want to be. Let me explain. How we are and what we are. Just I am trying to draw a human body. Imagine, that's all. Listen, inside your body, what you feel as you, what you think as you, that is inner image. Inner image. You may have so many ideas about you. At some time, you will have an idea, I am capable, I am powerful. At some time, whatever I touch always fails. I don't know what to do. It's all the time, I am deprived. Why life is so unjust to me? So, various ideas you entertain about you. All that put together is inner image. This inner image is responsible for your enthusiasm or depression. Please listen. Inner image is the ideas you carry about you. You cherish as you. This is the ideas on which you spend most of your time. Most of your time you spend on these ideas. Inner image. Internally, what do you think as you? First. Second, how you show you to others. Usually it will be through speaking only, through lot of your words. Sometime through makeup, sometime through jewelry, sometime through car. I really can't understand how your car can. Okay, all right. How you show yourself to others. That is outer image. Outer image. For various people, you show yourself in a various way. How you show you to others is outer image. Usually it will be much more than what you are. Do you know who am I? Do you know who am I? The outer image. You don't need to feel guilty about showing more than what you are. Don't worry. Really, no need for feeling guilty. How you show, if you properly align, you can really become that. That is the science I am going to teach you now. If you go on brag to everyone, I am this, I am this, I am this. If you properly brag, authentically brag, you will become that. I'll teach you authentic bragging. I'm really telling you. See, only when you have a conflict while you brag, you go on suffering with that conflict. Otherwise, by faking, you can make it. I'll teach you that science. Now, first understand, whatever you think as you is inner image, please drop your paper and pen, just listen. End of the program, I don't think you need an enlightened notebook, you need an enlightened being. So listen. Listen. So how you show you to others is outer image. And the next thing, how others perceive you, see you, that is others' image. Listen. How they look at you, that is others' image. One important truth, please understand. People do not believe you as you show you to them. How many of you really think people believe you as you show you to them? If you believe, you are a fool. Be very clear. You may show you are very humble. What they will say? See how he is acting. You may show you are very humble. What they will tell? See, he is acting. So understand, people have their own perceptions. Sometimes we say, what is there? We should not care about others' image. Do you really don't care about others' image? No. You may tell. And others, what others think about you is one of the part of your life. You are responsible for it. You have to be responsible for it. That is the way life moves. This is law of life. We really doesn't want to be responsible for what others think about us, but life is like this. So what others think about you, others' image, that's a third important component of you. The fourth, what you think about others and world, others and life. The strong belief you carry about others and life. The strong image you carry about others and life. Life image. The strong belief you carry about others and life is life image. Life is unjust, or whatever ideas you carry about life and others. Please understand these 4 words: inner image, outer image, others image, life image. Sanskrit, we have 4 words for it: mamakara, ahankara, anyakara, swa-anyakara. You don't need to worry about the Sanskrit words. Just I am repeating it so that the Sanskrit is kept alive. Listen. Please listen. All these 4 put together is you. Now let us first find out what is the inner image we have, what is the outer image we have, what is the others image we have, and what is the life image we have. Let us first find out. Don't edit. Just write as it is, as you think, as you feel in your mother tongue. Then later on, we will work on it. We will do what we want. Now, let us do the stock taking. Do not judge yourself. Don't curse yourself. Don't say you are right or wrong. How many of you understand what I am saying? How many of you understand all these 4 words? Raise your hand. How many of you don't understand these 4 words? Raise your hand. I'll repeat. Please keep the hands raised. I'm talking to you. Yes. Keep the hands raised. Who don't understand, keep the hands raised. Listen. Listen now. Whatever you think about you inside you, that is inner image. Whatever way you show yourself to others, that is outer image. What others think about you, that is others' image. What you think about others and life, that is life image. Now clear? Now, first let us write down all the inner image. What all inner image you have? Means like a, when you are up, how you feel, when you are high, how you feel, when you are low, how you feel, when you are medium, how you feel. You may have some 25 inner image, pen down all that. Then outer image. How many outer images you carry and show? Pen down all that. How others perceive you? Pen down all that. And how you perceive others and the world? Pen down all that. The volunteers, can you distribute the next worksheet? Genesis of your identity. Pushing you to look into many of your parts which you never want to look in. How many of you understand what I am saying? So naturally you will feel like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Don't get cheated by your mind. The best inner image you want to have, pen down. The best outer image you want to have, pen down. Best others image, how you want others to feel you, pen down. Best life image you want to have, pen down. You order what you want, making it happen is my job.
So now, I wanted to ask everyone, please listen. When you have written, what's the image you want to have? Inner image, outer image, others image, life image. Do you see all the 4 is aligned?
3 are aligned, Swamiji. World's image, there are things like, mob mentality should decrease. People should compliment each other. Correct themselves if they do wrong.
What is there in this not aligned?
Because it's an outer people. I expecting something.
That is what I am saying. When you want this, and what others want from you, when you start working for what others want from you, you will simply see what you want from others, they will start working.
I am working, Swamiji. Sometimes, you don't get, before you start acting, people just, judge sometimes.
No. Now only you even wrote.
Yes, Swamiji.
You have not even started working. How do you say you have started working? Now only you wrote.
Correct, Swamiji.
Now only we are going to work.
These things are always there.
No. Always understand, you have not started working on this systematically. How can you come to the conclusion?
So, then I think I'll speak where I have little uneasiness.
Come on.
Like I said, dynamic and fast, being sometimes thought as rude and egoistic by other people. Then illustrious career, and sometimes people saying that this guy boasts of a lot. No matter how much I try, one
So,
thing if I
this is past.
okay,
Now you want to go beyond it.
correct,
You understand?
correct, Swamiji.
So now, what you want to have, you wrote now only.
Yes, Swamiji.
So problems need to be found now and completion has to happen. So how you come to the conclusion already it is not possible?
Saying
You have a conflict?
I'm saying that I have my logic is not matching these areas, so I was
No,
taking
listen, first thing. All of you please listen. This is for every one of you. See, now only you are writing what you want to have. And what you have responded, that is the way people have responded to you. So what people are saying is the conflict inside you. Now only you are saying you want to go beyond that conflict. So your action has to change. Then the other's response also will change. I am asking, what you want to have when you see, do you see things are aligned?
that they are aligned, Swamiji.
You are clear?
They are aligned.
What you want to have.
Yes, Swamiji.
That's all I wanted to know. Please understand, do not confuse with what you want to have with what you had. See, one of the biggest problem we have is, before even we start working scientifically, we already decide and come to the conclusion, you don't know, Swamiji, how much I worked. No, we have not. We thought about it, we have not worked on it.